welcome back to the channel. This is probably going to be my first video going out for the new year, so happy new year, guys. I am so thankful for all of you that are already here and for all of the new people that are going to come. I just have so much fun doing these and just being creative and, I don't know, expressing myself. So thank you. Just thank you. Today I am going to be doing a DIY. So there is this wall. Okay, first of all, I don't know why I'm out of breath. Second of all, I'm really thirsty. But funny story, actually, we just went to Starbucks and I ordered a grande, and we have these like reusable cups, and the grande came out to literally like this. Not cool. And I drank it like before Peter's drink even got done, like all the way down. And I was like, can I order another one? And she gave me a venti for free. So thank you, Starbucks. You're the best. Anyway, there is this wall in our kitchen, and it's just like this big blank wall, and it looks so barren. And we had really cute like our Grinch pictures were there for Christmas, and then I put all of the bats there for Halloween. So it's had like a lot of stuff there recently, which has filled it up, and it's looked really great. Well, when I took down all the Christmas decorations, I like looked at it and I was like, this looks so bad. It was so bare. I just couldn't stand it. So I decided that instead of paying a lot of money for artwork, because it's just, you know, expensive, I would do my own little DIY. So that's what I'm gonna do. I went to Hobby Lobby and I got these two canvases, and they are 18 by 24, and it was a 2-pack for $8.99, so not bad. I wanted them to be a little bit bigger, and I'll show you the wall here in a second. I keep like looking at it, it's over there. But I think these will be fine, but I definitely would have liked a bigger size. But this was the biggest one that they had that came in like a 2-pack. Otherwise it was like $25 for one. That was like the next size up. So $10 for two, $50 for two, it just didn't really make sense. So we're gonna make this size work. And then I picked up 2 paint colors. Okay, so I have a few of them, but they're like the same color. So I just got black, and then it is this warm, what's it called? Warm peach or something like that. I don't even remember. Oh, warm bisque. This is like the color of it. Hey. And then black. So I already looked up inspiration pictures for these 2 canvases before. That's why I knew the paint color that I wanted to get. So I definitely suggest like knowing what you want to paint, obviously, before you go, if you plan on getting paint. I'm so sad. I just looked at my canvases. Look at this. Hopefully I have some white paint to cover that up. Okay, so I'll put my inspiration picture here so you guys can kind of see what I'm going for, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna get on into it. So this is the wall. Excuse the island mess, but just so you can get like a big view of it, it's this one right here with our little owlies. I like just threw those on there to kind of get an idea of what it would look like and to fill it until I thought of something. We did these at like a little paint, those whatever paint sip things. They turned out pretty cute. That one's mine. That one was Peter's. But anyway, so this is the wall that's gonna go on, and instead of like staggered how these are, I'm probably gonna go like one on top of the other. So yes, as you can see, once we take these down, this wall just looks so blah. Look at that. Totally needs something. So let's do it. And that is it, my friends. I think they turned out super cute. I'm even like debating maybe doing 4, so kind of scooting these 2 over and doing 2 more so I can have 4 prints, just because I think that'll fill out the wall even more, since I wanted it to be a little bit bigger in size, which I think would have been perfect with 2, but since I was going the cheaper route, which was like the whole point, being cost effective, I think that doing the 4 will probably work out really well. But I really love the way they look, and so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed them, and if you guys want to give it a try as well, tag me in any of your guys' DIYs that you do for any of your empty wall spaces perhaps. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
It's going to be an expensive remodel, but with cost up to $1.3 million, we can still make a lot of money.
I'm seeing it like this is amazing.
But a 400 grand must be too low. So if we get into the right away,